Wildlife faces many dangers in today's world. These dangers put animals and plants at risk. We call these dangers wildlife conflicts. They are a big problem because they can lead to animals dying out. These conflicts happen all over the planet. They affect animals in the oceans, in the forests, and even in the air. It is important for us to understand these conflicts. We need to find ways to help wildlife survive. The future of many species depends on us. We need to act now to protect our planet's incredible animals and plants. If we don't, we risk losing them forever. One major threat to wildlife is conflict with humans. As people move into new areas, they come into contact with wild animals more often. This can cause problems for both humans and animals. For example, elephants sometimes eat crops that farmers are growing. This can make it hard for farmers to survive. In other places, bears might come into towns looking for food, which can be dangerous for people. These conflicts often happen because humans and animals need the same resources. We both need food, water, and space to live. Finding ways to share these resources is important for the future of wildlife and humans. Another big problem for wildlife is habitat loss. This means that the places where animals live are being destroyed, forests are being cut down, and grasslands are being turned into farms. When animals lose their homes, they have nowhere to go. They might not be able to find enough food or water. This can make it hard for them to survive and raise their young. Habitat loss is a major reason why many animal species are endangered. We need to protect the places where animals live so that they have a chance to thrive. Climate change is also a growing threat to wildlife. The Earth's climate is changing, and this is having a big impact on plants and animals. Some animals are finding it hard to adapt to the changing temperatures. Polar bears, for example, rely on sea ice to hunt. As the ice melts, they have a harder time finding food. Climate change can also cause extreme weather events like floods and droughts. These events can destroy habitats and make it difficult for animals to survive. Section 5. The plight of the elephant, a case study in human-wildlife conflict. The African elephant is a good example of an animal that is suffering from human-wildlife conflict. Elephants need a lot of space to roam, and they often come into contact with humans as they search for food and water. This can lead to elephants damaging crops or even hurting people. In turn, humans sometimes kill elephants in retaliation or to protect themselves. Finding ways to help elephants and humans live together peacefully is crucial for the survival of this iconic species. The Amazon